Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to take a look at some of the important questions for law entrance exam. Question 1. Who's the current UN Secretary General? The answer is Antonio Manuel de Oliveira Guterres. Second question. When's International Criminal Justice Day celebrated? And the answer is 17 July. Third question. Where's the International Court for Justice located? And the answer is Hague, Netherlands. Fourth question. How many high courts are there in India? And the answer is 25. Fifth question. Who's the current Minister of Law and Justice in India? And the answer is Kiran. Sixth question. How many articles are there in the Indian Constitution? Originally, there were 395 articles, 22 parts and 8 schedules. However, currently there are 448 articles, 25 parts and 12 schedules. Seventh question. When was the Indian Constitution adopted by the Constituent Assembly? And the answer is 26 November 1949 and it came into effect on 26 January 1950. Eighth question. Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe was assassinated on 8 July 2022 by, and the answer is Tetsuya Yamagami. Ninth question. When's National Law Day celebrated? And the answer is 26 November. 10th question. Who won the 2021 Nobel Peace Prize? And the answer is Maria Ressa and Dmitry Andreevich Muratov. Question 11. What was described as the heart and soul of the Indian Constitution by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar? And the answer is Article 32, the right to constitutional remedies. 12th question. Right to property is a legal right. 13th question. Writ issued against illegal detention is? The answer is habeas corpus. 14th question. Which writ is also known as the post-mortem and which literally means by what authority? And the answer is quo warranto. 15th question. Writ issued to transfer a case from lower court to a higher court. The answer is certiorari. 16th question. Which writ is also known as the bulwark of personal freedom? And the answer is habeas corpus. 17th question. Who's the first woman, first Black American and first Asian American Vice President of the USA? And the answer is Kamala Harris. 18th question. Human Rights Day is celebrated on? The answer is 10th December. 19th question. Which writ means we command? And the answer is mandamus. 20th question. Which writ means to be more fully informed? And the answer is certiorari. 21st question. The President takes oath in the presence of? The answer is Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. 22nd question. In the absence of the President and the Vice President, who assumes the office of the President? And the answer is the Chief Justice of India. 23rd question. Fundamental rights are contained in? The answer is Part 3 of the Indian Constitution. 24th question. Fundamental duties are contained in Part 4A, Article 51A of the Indian Constitution. 25th question. How many judges are there in the International Court of Justice? And the answer is 15. 26th question. Which article is related to abolition of untouchability? And the answer is Article 17. 27th question. Which article is related to the proclamation of emergency? And the answer is Article 352. 28th question. How many states are there in the Indian Federation? The answer is 28 states and 8 union territories. 29th question. Right to education is contained in Article 21A of the Indian Constitution. 30th question. The preamble is derived from the American Constitution. 31st question. Fundamental duties are derived from the Russian Constitution. 32nd question. The writ issued ordering a public official to perform his duty is mandamus. 33rd question. Planning Commission is replaced by the Niti Aayog, National Institution for Transforming India. 34th question. Who is the current Chief Justice of India 2022? And the answer is N.V. Ramana. 35th question. How many members are elected by the President to the Lok Sabha? And the answer is 2 members from the Anglo-Indian community. 36th question. CBI and investigation come under which list? And the answer is Union list. 37th question. Kamala Harris served as the Attorney General of which state? And the answer is California. She also served as the District Attorney of San Francisco. 38th question. The currency of Ukraine is hryvnia. 39th question. The directive principles are derived from? And the answer is Ireland. 40th question. Liberty, equality, and fraternity are derived from? The answer is France. 41st question. The amendment process is borrowed from? The answer is South Africa. 42nd question. The judicial review is derived from? And the answer is USA. 43rd question. Who was the first woman Prime Minister in the world? And the answer is Sirimao Bandaranaike of Sri Lanka. 44th question. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? And the answer is Indira Priyadarshini Gandhi. 45th question. Who was the first woman President of India? And the answer is Pratibha Patil. 46th question. Who was the first woman Supreme Court Judge of India? And the answer is Fatima Bibi. 47th question. Who is considered the father of the Indian Penal Code? And the answer is Thomas Bevington Macaulay. 48th question. The Indian Law Institute was founded at? And the answer is New Delhi. 49th question. The first anti-terror legislation in India? And the answer is tada! Terrorist and Disruptive Activities Prevention Act. 50th question. Which state has been assigned the status of Union Territory recently? And the answer is Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. And here's a bonus question. Question number 666. Which book of the Bible speaks about the Antichrist? And the answer is the book of Revelations. Thank you. Hope you found my video informative and helpful.